In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to speak. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, I told you about presupposition, and presupposition I discussed three topics, and it's three types, like existential presupposition, factive presupposition, and non-factive presupposition. Today, I'm going to teach you the fourth type of presupposition, and that is lexical presupposition. Lexical presupposition, it is an assumption that in using one word, the speaker can act that another meaning will be understood. I'm repeating. Lexical presupposition as an assumption that and using one word, the speaker can act that another meaning will be understood. How it is? Let me provide practical examples. For example, if I say, Javed stopped smoking. So you see the first meaning of this word, Javed stopped smoking. However, another meaning understood from it, and the lexical presupposition of it would be that Javed used to smoke. This is one example. Another example is Aslam managed to repair the watch. Listeners and audience, you see, take the first meaning. Aslam managed to repair the watch. So here Aslam managed, one meaning is that Aslam tried. Aslam tried to repair the watch. Another meaning can be understood from this is that Aslam got success. Aslam got success to repair the watch. So one meaning is taken is tried, and another meaning is taken got success. Let me provide another example. For example, if I say Aslam did not managed to repair watch or the watch. So Aslam did not manage. What is the lexical presupposition of this? Aslam did not manage to repair the watch also mean Aslam did not try. One meaning. Another meaning is that Aslam did not manage to repair watch mean Aslam failed. Aslam failed to repair the watch, or Aslam did not try to repair the watch. In other words, lexical presupposition means it is an assumption that a word and used or using a word, the speaker can act that another meaning will be understood. Like here you see Javed stopped smoking. The lexical meaning, another meaning can be understood from it is that Javed previously used to smoke. And this meaning, you see, Aslam managed to repair the watch. Another meaning can be understood is that he tried to repair the watch. This is another meaning. While its own meaning is that he got success to repair the watch. So hope that this topic is clear to you. Thank you.